On the table here we have the Outback Armour GVM Upgrade 3750 kit for the N80 Hilux. Let's run through it. We're going to run through it from the front of the vehicle to the back, so from this side of the table to this side. On the front we have the choice of Outback Armour adjustable struts with the top adjuster, or Outback Armour DSV or digressive struts. These are with the cooling grooves, pretty much indestructible. We don't say that. Moving through to our correction components, we have our center bearer spacer kit. We have our bushes. We have our specific U-bolts for this vehicle. We have greasable pins and greasable shackles. Moving through to our rear leaf, you only have one option with the N80 Hilux with the GVM Upgrade. It is the 800 kilo constant load rear leaf spring. And then if we move to the rear of the vehicle, I'll jump this side. We have our Outback Armour adjustable shocks with 20 plus stages of adjustment, or you have the DSV option, again, with the stone shield and the cooling grooves. Since we've changed the category of the vehicle, you need to have Cat 6 indicators, which look like this. That's all the mandatory components. I'm going to throw you over to Grant. He's one of the engineers for the optional extras.
As Odell said, these are our optional components for our N80 Hilux GVM Upgrade kit. Starting off, we have our fixed upper control arm, which will help give you that ideal 3 degrees of caster and that perfect wheel alignment. Another optional extra we offer is our diff drop kit. This will basically help protect those CVs as you increase the ride height by 50 mil. Another component we offer is our progressive rate front bump stop. These will help soak up those unexpected whoops that we experience off-road. Similar to our front progressive rate bump stop, we offer our rear progressive extended rate bump stop. These are perfect for when you run heavy constant rear loads. As you can see, this is the OEM one and this is our one. For all SR5 vehicle owners, this is our headlight adjustable link rod. Your dealers will organise it for you if you have an SR5.
That rounds out the what's in the kit for the 3750 kilo GVM Upgrade for the N80 Hilux. More information on our website. Find your closest dealer using the postcode search feature on our website. And never go alone again when you go with Outback Armour.